Hello everyone, this is Mrs. S.P. Valli from YouTube channel Flute English Grammar Creations. Today I will teach you singular and plural nouns in detail. First of all, do you remember what's a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. The singular form of a noun refers to one person, place or thing. For example, a girl, a house, a toy, etc. This is a girl or this is one girl. The plural form of noun refers to two or more persons, places or things. For example, girls, houses, toys, etc. These are four girls or girls. These are girls. There are several different rules to form plural nouns. To make your learning easy, I have graded the rules of singular and plural form in 3 levels. The children who are in classes 1 to 5 can learn these first 3 rules. Add s or es to a singular noun to make its plural form. The examples given in the next slide will teach you to form irregular plural nouns. Rule 1. We mostly add s to make a plural noun. Here are some examples. Rule 2. Add es to nouns that end in s, ss, ch, sh, x and z. Let me read the words in singular noun. Bus, ass, bench, brush, fox. Remember, the sound is at the end will help you to add es to the plural form. Some more examples are gas, gases, princess, princesses, ostrich, ostriches, church, churches, quiz, quizzes. Rule 3. Nouns that do not form plurals in the usual way are called irregular plural nouns. Example, child, children, person, people, etc. Sometimes we change the inside vowel or vowels to form a plural noun. For example, man, men, foot, feet, etc. There are exceptions too. Look at the word ox. We don't say oxes, but it is oxen. Dear children, after learning the first 3 rules, you can now pass on to the secondary level. The students who are in classes 6 to 8 can continue learning up to 11 rules to form plural nouns. Some singular nouns ending in O take only S in its plural form. Here are some examples. There are some exceptional cases. Sometimes we add es to form plural nouns. Come on students, now it's your turn to improve. Refer a dictionary and select nouns ending with O and learn their plural forms. Rule number 6. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by Y will take S for its plural form. For example, in the word boy, vowel O is followed by Y, so we add S to form its plural. The word story refers to a building. E is followed by Y, therefore it is stories. In the next rule, that is rule number 7, says if a consonant is followed by Y, then change Y to I and add ES to form its plural. For example, in the word butterfly, L is followed by Y. Therefore, the plural ends with IES. Here are some examples. Can you guess now, children? What is the plural of monkey? It's quite simple. Add S and not IES, that is monkeys. Mostly the nouns ending with F or FE will take VES for its plural form. Some examples are listed out under rule number 9. Leaf, leaves, wife, wives, etc. But there are some exception cases too. We add only S to form its plural. For example, roof is roofs, proof, proofs, chef, chefs. Refer a dictionary, list out some more words and learn to make its plural form. Rule number 10. Some nouns have the same form for the singular and plural. Whether it is one or more, the noun dear is dear in both the forms. Similarly, collective nouns or uncountable nouns like hair, furniture, luggage, etc. are written as it is in plural form also. The ornamental collections like gold bangles, rings, bracelets, chains, necklaces, etc. together is called jewelry. Rule number 11 gives you an idea about the formation of plural compound nouns. Some words get its plural form in the first or second word, as in sons-in-law or stepsons, etc. Sometimes both the words are changed into plural form. For example, manservant is menservants. Students in classes 9 and 10, plus 1 and plus 2 can easily pick up primary and secondary levels of learning. After that, take a little more effort to learn the final rules to make the nouns in plural form. Here are some examples of nouns that are same in singular and plural form. We do not say the news were shocking, but the news was shocking. Rule number 13 teaches you to make plural collective nouns. A pair of scissors, a set of jeans, a ball of wool are all examples of singular form. The plural form is 2 pairs of scissors, 3 sets of jeans, or more balls of wool. 14th rule is quite simple. Look at the last letter in each singular and plural form. We have to make a slight change, either cut or add a letter to make its plural form. Antenna is antennae, axis, axis, datum, data, focus, foci, criterion, criteria. A shortcut rhyme to remember is amma, assai, on a, is, or you can have your own rhyme to retain your memory. Now, can you guess the plural form of fungus? The word ends with us. So, cut us and write I. It is fungi. Some more plural forms are given here. The plural of belief is beliefs. If we add VES to this word, it becomes a word. He believes Jesus Christ. Moose belongs to deer family, so do not add S. Several species of fish have names that are both singular and plural form. These include tuna, cod, trout, salmon, flounder, etc. Thanks for listening. Now it's your turn. Do the follow-up activity and wait for the next video. Thank you.